I'm at Port Waikato. This is where the Waikato River meets the Tasman Sea. Abel Tasman sailed up here about 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning on the 29th of December 1642. He sailed up this coast as far as we can see, right on the very far horizon. That's the entrance to the Manukau Harbour. He sails up here, goes straight past there. 350 years earlier, a boat had come out of that harbour. It was the Tainui canoe, a bunch of Polynesian travellers. They'd come all the way from Tahiti. They dragged their boat across at Auckland, sailed out of the Manukau Harbour and came down this coast. They went about another 20 kilometres down here to a place called Kaufia. And at Kaufia they made their first settlement. Then they slowly occupied all this stretch of coast up to here, and they started moving inland up the Waikato River. The Waikato River takes you right into the heart of New Zealand. It's, in Maori days, this is State Highway 1. Up there, that's all the moa and the big trees and everything they could want was in there. They occupied the land both sides of this river and became a thriving population. The Tainuis are still a very large and proud tribe today, and every one of those people can recite their genealogy all the way back to the original occupants of that canoe that sailed past here fully 350 years before Abel Tasman.